Oh, really? Wala na akong pakialam sa'yo. So, nagpaparamdam ka ngayon dahil nade-depress ka dahil hindi na matutuloy yung business nyo sa Singapore. Good for you! Pagkatapos mo akong raitin, tawagin mo ako na I'm an old lady with this almost defective ovaries, about to expire, husband. Ano pa nga ba yung tinawag mo sa akin nung galit ka? Yeah, a graphic artist with no progress, stuck in a third world country, right? Bakit ikaw? Nandiyan ka nga sa progressive country, you're not even progressing! Oy! You wanna hear my progress, my dear? Huh? Well, I'm a 38 years old, single, desirable, and pregnant. Definitely not yours, my dear. Dahil I think you are the problem. Dahil your sperm is defective. Dahil ilang beses siya nag-swimming sa loob ng ovaries ko na has-been, diba? At walang nabuo. Unlike yung one-time, big-time ko na out of town, jackpot agad. Yeah, that is progress. So, ikaw, you stick with your business family life. Yeah, and you'll die alone, old, lonely, rich, but miserable. Huh? Oh, yeah. And I don't even care about your money because I have everything that I need now. Oo, magpakalunod ka dyan sa galong-galong tubig nyo na wala namang lasa kasing pakla ng sperma. Good riddance! Ay, that's all.